In the semiconductor manufacturing industry, gas chillers achieves cooling effects by regulating the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant during the circulation of the refrigerant. The heat energy is transferred from the low temperature area to the high temperature area through the absorption and release of the gas. Probe station. During the operation of the probe station, the gas chiller can accurately control the temperature between the probe and the sample to ensure the accuracy of the test results. Test. In the semiconductor test link, by adjusting the cooling capacity of the gas chiller, the temperature of the test environment can be accurately controlled to ensure the stability and reliability of the test data, especially in high-temperature testing. The gas chiller can quickly reduce the ambient temperature and provide suitable conditions for high-temperature testing. Sorting station. The application of gas chiller in the sorting station can effectively reduce the temperature fluctuation of the product during the sorting process and ensure the accuracy of the sorting results.